Hello friends, is your car stalling randomly, struggling to start, or showing weird RPM fluctuations? If your check engine light, CEL, is on and you're seeing code P0323, this means your ignition distributor engine speed input circuit has an intermittent signal issue. This problem can cause misfires, rough idling, and even sudden engine shutdowns. In this video, we'll break down what P0323 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0323? P0323 stands for Ignition Distributor Engine Speed Input Circuit Intermittent. This means that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is receiving a weak or unstable RPM signal from either the Crankshaft Position Sensor, CKP, Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP, or Ignition Control Module, ICM. If the PCM cannot consistently track engine speed, it can cause misfires, power loss, and stalling. Common symptoms of P0323: check engine light, CL, on, RPM gauge fluctuating or not working, rough idling and engine misfires, engine stalling while driving, car cranks but won't start, loss of acceleration, and poor fuel efficiency. Ignoring this code can make your car unpredictable and unsafe to drive. Since P0323 is related to engine speed input, here are the key components to inspect. Crankshaft Position Sensor, or CKP, is located near the crankshaft pulley, flywheel, or transmission bell housing. This sensor monitors engine RPM and sends data to the PCM. Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP, is mounted on the cylinder head near the camshaft gears. It helps synchronize ignition timing with the CKP sensor. Ignition Control Module, or ICM, is typically found near the ignition coil, or inside the distributor in older cars. This module processes engine speed signals. Distributor sensor, in older vehicles. If your car has a distributor, it may have an internal RPM sensor. Wiring and connectors to the PCM, damaged or corroded wiring can cause an unstable RPM signal. If any of these components are malfunctioning, the PCM won't receive a consistent engine speed reading, leading to P0323. Common causes of P0323 include the following: a faulty crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, which can result in a weak or lost RPM signal. A bad camshaft position sensor, or CMP, can cause ignition timing errors. A worn-out ignition control module, or ICM, may prevent the PCM from receiving a steady RPM signal. Loose or corroded wiring or connectors can create an intermittent signal problem. In older cars, a distributor sensor failure can send inconsistent data. Lastly, PCM software or hardware issues may require a software update or replacement. So, how do you fix P0323? First, use an obd2 scanner to check for related misfire codes such as P0300 through P0308. Next, inspect and test the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, and replace it if necessary. Then check and test the camshaft position sensor, or CMP, and replace it if it's faulty. After that, inspect wiring and connectors for any damage or corrosion, especially near the CKP and CMP sensors. Test the ignition control module, or ICM, and replace it if it's sending an unstable signal. If your car has a distributor-based ignition system, check the internal distributor sensor. If everything seems fine, a PCM update or replacement may be required. Finally, clear the codes and take a test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. Driving with P0323 can cause serious issues like random stalling, misfires, and poor acceleration. Fixing it ensures smooth engine performance, better fuel economy, and a more reliable ride. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P0304, Cylinder 4 misfire detected, and P0305, Cylinder 5 misfire detected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.